7 ways to grow your business fast with YouTube and be on page 1 of Google. There's a lot in this video it's full of information, so I'll crack on and be as fast as I can. Did you know that over 70% of all web traffic now comes from video? Videos posted on Facebook are shared twice as often as written posts, and YouTube now reaches more US adults under the age of 35 than any cable TV network. And we already know that search engines are favouring video in their search results. So even if you've got a new channel, you're going to find that you'll rank higher if you have a video than somebody who's written something but they're extremely well known. So video over words in terms of purely written content all the time. And this means you really don't have a choice. You've got to deliver your content through video. It's the primary way people want to learn, shop and interact online, and this has been particularly so and been accelerated over the last year or two as a result, well, certainly over the last year as a result of the pandemic. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create videos for YouTube and Google. In a very short moment I'm going to show you 7 essential things that you need to do to get lots of traffic to your video and help get them found. If you start applying these today, your videos will begin to rank higher right now. So first up, the basic rules of creating your video for traffic. First impressions matter. The first and probably and possibly only interaction that you're going to have with your viewer and potential customer is the title and the thumbnail. So it's really important to get your thumbnail right. So here are some good rules. Keep them short. Less than 10 words, for example, how to make a YouTube video for business. Use numbers if you can, for example, 5 ways to get traffic to my business or to my local business YouTube video. And include a specific benefit if you can, again thinking about your target audience and why they might want to watch your video. For example, 10 ways to grow your local business with YouTube. And try and add your keyword. Putting your keyword in the title is a great thing to do and it really can help your ranking. But optimizing for your viewers' interest really is your primary goal. So if you have a great title, a killer title that just doesn't work with your keyword, don't include it. There are other places that you can add it. Whatever you do, optimize for your viewer and don't be clever about it. Write an attention-grabbing description. Sell the click. YouTube will factor your video description into its algorithm for ranking that viewers are using to find out more about you. And this also displays in their search results, so the description is really important. So please spend time in it. Spend time to write a good description. It really will make a massive difference. And here's a good format for a great video description. Ideally, it should be at least 150 words in length, and you should really try and have your target keyword worked into it. The first 2 sentences are the most important, they matter the most. Keep it brief. These are the sentences that appear above the fold, which means, before you click the more, if you look at a YouTube video, you'll see the little more button. The first 2 sentences appear before you have to click more. So this is what gets shown below your video, but also it gets shown in the search results. Make sure you describe what is in the video and why it's different. And it's also a really good idea to have some kind of call to action. And then follow this with additional information or links that you mention in the video. So as you move down your description, add in relevant links, or if you've used products, and I really have to go back and do this with more of my videos, is if I've mentioned Bitnami, for example, or Canva or whatever, just add a link in there so people can go and find what you're talking about. And finally, add any other social media links or website links and make sure to do it properly. For example, don't forget to add HTTP or HTTPS if you're doing a web link. Tag your video properly. The tagging in YouTube is now really, really good. Your tags are critical for the discoverability and rankability of your video both on YouTube and on Google. It's so important that if you don't have good tags, your video's growth potential will be severely affected, and it will have a huge impact on your ability to benefit from all the time you've spent on making your video. Spend time in this in your keyword research. You absolutely must to ensure that your tags are what your customers are searching for. Now, there are 3 tag categories that you need to cover. Specific tags, keywords. This is the search query. Contextual. This is your single word tags. And these are general relevant keywords. And then you've got generic tags. These are simply the general words that describe your video. But don't forget, the tag field has a limit, and at the moment it's around about 500 characters. Make the thumbnail yourself. Looks do matter. Your thumbnail will determine the success or failure of your video before anyone has even watched it. It's the first interaction, and maybe the only interaction people are going to have after they've done a search. So under no circumstances, even although it's really easy to do and you'll be so tempted, but don't use the automatic thumbnail generator. So here are some general guidelines for creating irresistible thumbnails, and as I've said before, you can use Canva for this. First of all, make it stand out, use bright colours, contrast the colours and contrast them against the background. And include close-ups of faces. It's always better to have a face on your thumbnail. Include text. Many of the places that your video will end up often won't display the title, especially later on. So add relevant text on your thumbnail that explains what your video is and explains the benefit of watching. So if for any reason the title doesn't display at a later date, people still know what your video is about. 5. Add an end screen. It's a lot easier to sell to an existing customer than it is to gain a new one. And it goes without saying that if someone has watched your video, especially if they've watched it to the end, they're much more likely to watch your other videos. So make it easy by providing a link at the end of your video. This is really easy on YouTube. You can just select a related video from your channel, and YouTube will then just add the thumbnail at the end, and viewers can then simply click. You'll have seen this all the time. And this, of course, helps the ranking of all your other videos. So it becomes a loop. So the more of your videos that people watch, the more opportunities that they're going to have to watch all of your other videos. This will help grow the authority of your YouTube channel, which is going to help your videos rank faster. So use the playlist to drive your traffic even higher. It's just like binge watching a TV show. If your audience is interested in your first video, make it easy for them to find other ones that are similar that they're probably going to want to keep watching. The playlist really lets them do this incredibly easily. The first week that you post your video really matters in the world of YouTube, because it's checking to see how interesting your video is. So share it to your family and friends and post it on your social channels or your business channels. And likes and comments, I know it seems obvious, but they matter. And don't forget, add a comment to your own video and like it and heart it. This has all been drilled into me by Paul Murphy from AffiliateTube, who I've been working with and been training with for the last little while. As I'm sure you know, the competition for rankings online is absolutely massive, and it's still growing. However, by harnessing the power of video, you now have a great and incredible new tool for generating views, shares, traffic, and of course revenue, which will drive your business. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you liked the video, why not share the love and give it a thumbs up, and please leave a comment to let me know what you think. In the next video, I'll give you a few tips on keywords and how it affects Google, and how to use Google to find keywords actually, and run through the main things that you need to know to get started. So hit the subscribe button to receive a notification of more videos in the future.